With hearts full of joy and friendship, our furry adventurers bid farewell to the night, dreaming of the adventures that tomorrow may bring. As the sun rises on a new day, Peter Rabbit and his friends are filled with excitement for the adventures that await them.